All right, so here's my plan to get these trusses up and work on them. I built this bridge across. Looks kind of sketchy, I know, but it's supported at each end, nailed up in there, supported in the middle, the support's nailed in, and at that other end. So I'm gonna hopefully slide the trusses up two 2x4x16s up the front, drop them onto the walls and the bridge there, and then walk them across to the other side and install them, and hopefully don't die.
If you're wondering why I didn't turn the trusses upside down and put them up from the center of the garage like you typically would see one man do it, I had these braces here in the middle because the ground around my garage is bedrock, like a couple inches underneath, and I just couldn't get a stake to stay in there securely. So I had these in the way, so I couldn't flip them up from underneath, and honestly I just wanted to try it this way, and it worked out really well. If I had to do this again, I would do it the way I've done it. So it's worked pretty well. And if it looks dangerous walking across this plank, I assure you it's not, because you're holding on to that truss which spans the entire width of the garage, and you can hang right onto it, and you have really no concern about missing a step and falling down because you just hold on to the truss.